Hello everyone, my name is Kirsten Emenecker, and today I'm going to be giving a tour of the tool Pull Everywhere. So what we see in front of us right now is the home screen of Pull Everywhere. This is what will pop up when you type in Pull Everywhere into the URL spot. So before we dive into the platform, I'm going to describe the purpose of the tool and some advantages it has to offer. So the purpose of the tool is for teachers to ask their students different questions. And the teachers can ask questions in many different forms, and we will see this as we explore the platform. And then some advantages of using the tool: it allows you to use different methods for asking questions, and they don't just offer one type like many other platforms do. Teachers could also create teams for students to answer questions. And the teachers will get the results right away. Right when the students are done answering, the teacher can see that, and it can be live also. This is also quick and easy to use for teachers, so if they need to get in a hurry and they need something, this is something they can use. And we will be seeing more advantages as we look through the platform. So we will begin by looking at the Activities tab. And as we can see, I have two different activities already created, but we can look at how to create an activity. So in order to create an activity, you would just hit plus activity, and this is where you see that there's many different ways a teacher can ask student questions. So you can do multiple choice, word cloud, question and answer where it's just a simple thumbs up or down. You can use clickable images, a survey, open-ended, and there's also competitions. So for example, if we wanted to do multiple choice, we would just type in the question. So say, what is your favorite color? And then you could type in answers. And in order to make it the correct answer, you would just click the check mark and click create. It's very easy and simple for teachers to use. So now that we have created our poll, you can activate it and present it. So we'll activate it so this is ready for students to answer, and we will put it in present mode. And this is where students can see what they should type in. So respond at poll, blah, 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 and then, or they can text it. And then you'll be able to see their responses. So let's go back to the home page. So this is where you can find all of your activities you have completed. So over here there are some other things like participants is where you can track the students' participation. Reports, this is different types of reports instead of just giving you an average. And then you can create teams, but all of these come at a price which is not convenient for teachers. And there's other things that you can go through. And you can also create folders for your activities. So I have how much do you know about slope, and do you feel confident about finding the slope of line? So I could create that in a folder and say math about slope, and there it goes into the folder. It's very easy and simple platform that you can use and all teachers can use. So how could teachers use this in the classroom? So teachers could do it as a do now. This could be for students to see how much they know before getting into the material, or you can do it as an exit ticket to see what they have learned from the lesson. And for the limitations of this platform, you do have to pay to upgrade, as we've talked about, but many teachers have found that it was helpful for them. And once you use an activity, you cannot go back to it. You would have to recreate it. There are many advantages to using Pull Everywhere with only a little bit of cons of Pull Everywhere, and I hope you enjoyed the tour of Pull Everywhere. Thank you.